Hi students. All right. Okay, you remember when I said about the previous lecture that I mentioned about cells, and there is one slides that have shown you the mitosis and meiosis. Can you remember? Okay, I hope that each and every one of you have gone through, have do some revisions on the previous lecture too, on the structure and organizations of the cell. All right. Now this is one of subdivisions about cell divisions. And I remember when I said I would like to have a specially dedicated discussion about cell divisions. Okay, now this is the little bit of handouts to all of you. I try as much as possible to make it simplified so that easy for all of you to understand. All right, cell division. Okay, this is the learning objectives that I'm expected that all of you have to achieve at the end of this discussion and lecture. Okay, you must be able to define the cell division and some of the basic terminology used in cell divisions, and describe the process of mitosis, and also describe the process of meiosis. Let me do this little bit of changes first. All right. Okay, just one picture. This is the pictures of the cell divisions under electron microscope. Isn't it look so beautiful? Yes. All right. Okay. There is a lot of terms, but I found out that this is the terms that will be keep on repeating in many lecture, in many if you read lots of books about the cell divisions, this is the terms that keep on repeating again and again. So this is the basic concept that you all have to understand, right? So that when you go through the process of this lecture, you will a little bit at least it will helps you to go through in understandings of the cell divisions. Okay, gene, this is not the gene, bukan gene hantu, okay, but this is a genetic. It is a unit of hereditary. Do you know that what makes your eyes is why makes that certain people the color of the iris is blue, some of them the iris is green, mine is black brown. I think most of Asians is black brown. So this is the things that actually the gene is responsible in carry out all the informations about a person, right? It is located inside your chromosome, and inside chromosome is made up of a protein, and inside the chromosome there is our gene. Okay, it's our gene which carries out a unit of hereditary. All right, there is a length of DNA, which is DNA is the genetic material that have in all living organism. It is where it's located. It is in the nucleus on the chromosome in eukaryotes. All right, and chromosome itself, it is condensed. Okay, it's condensed. It's a linear DNA and protein, and there is a containing genes and some sequence. Okay, this sequence God had made it as equal matching to each other, so that it will be able to carry out the gene, the process. When it is the process of replicating the gene, there will be no error, right? See, this is the basic concept that I think for a starting you have some idea of what are the gene, what is chromosome, and what is DNA. Right, we go to the next slides. Right, cell division. It is a process where the cell have to grow, and in order the cell divide because there is a need for the cell to grow. Okay, they need to replace the dead cells for a development and also a cell repairment. It is cyclic process and it is a control. This means that each of the cells it replicate, it is in control. When there is a conditions where the cell divide uncontrollably, that is we call a cancerous cell. Right? It is controlled by the genes, hormones, and environment. Why do you think? Have you ever think of why did the cells divide? Alright? One of it, there is a 3 common reason why cells divide. One, because we need to repair the organisms. If you have a wound, like here, alright? If you have a wound, the wound needs to be healed. So in order for it to be healed, you need to repair the organism. Okay? And there is a need for its development. Okay? Baby, until it become an adult. So the cells need to develop from immature to matured cell. And the growth, okay? When you're little kids, your tall is only about 50 centimeter, for example. Okay, when you are at the preschool. So your cells need to be divided because you are growing. When you eat, you need to grow. Okay, so that's why the cells divide. This is the reason why you need, as a nurse, you need to know why actually we need the cells need to divide. Okay,